Welcome to TradeTheMBI.com. This is John. This report is for the 20th, and wow, geez, we're getting a whole lot of nothing. So we've pretty much been flat most of September here and not doing a whole lot of anything at this particular point. We've got a slight updrift here in the shakeout, but we really aren't seeing much movement out of it. We're already seeing that we're really getting close to an overbought condition. Right here at the critical juncture where finally we have the cyan fading below, which means shorts are pretty much faded out of the situation, and it's just a matter of buyers lifting it. The problem with that is fewer shorts makes it a little bit more difficult to lift price significantly. And so while we get these modest bouts of up, they tend to fade back in, and that's exactly what happened the other day, and it just retraces itself. It's not too different than what I discussed as far as the positive extremes. NQ still outperforming in general, and the Dow languishing comparatively speaking, not even close to the same crossover. And as long as you have that disalignment, you're going to have, I think, a little bit more off-selling peaks here as we go through the normal cycle, as the uncertainty of the election, I think, is having its impact and um, really causing a delay in any kind of reaction. Um, it's just a matter of time at this particular point. As we move closer, they're going to have to start making a decision now, and that is going to start to increase the volatility, which I think will give us more options to see something more significant take place. Here we have with the euro still doing nothing, stuck in that zone. In bonds, not a play. Gold just coming back slightly off a little swift decline there. Still a little oversold. That's 19,000. USL, from an oil standpoint, and again, that's just because it's an oversupply issue and really, at this particular point, a lack of demand. Now, from our case study here, with the short move go through, and we just pretty much kind of nailed ourselves into a little range, a little tint right here. You can already see it's overbought at this particular point in the 401. If we look at the 5K, we ended up with that peak move, started to fade quickly. We were talking about this point where we were still continuing to drop, and then we ended up with we had a nice stable base here, the orange caught between the two range of the red and cyan. So your long-term buyers, your shorts, and when that orange stays right in between there, we had a nice consistent run. Then once it dropped below, that was your trigger point. We were about to see some activity, and then again, likewise, something right there, doing a little soft move. Then we got into a little bit of a staple muck, and it's had a slight drift to the upside. So we're beginning to see potential for some short. None of these are strong enough to indicate that there's going to be a turn to the downside at this particular point. So that's a little bit further off. That's the nature of things at this particular point. Still plugging away with programming. Some of these are just long cycles. It's crazy. But it's starting to look really good though. As always though, if you look for me on the Skype chat, I'll be popping in and out as I'm programming for the day. Trade well, and talk to you later.